First live fire of furnace number 2. I think this is going to work.
You think?
I think.
I think so too. Do I need to call the fire department again?
I don't think so.
All right.
Well, furnace number 2 is running operational. I got myself a bunch of coal in there now. The wood's burning. We got some coals going pretty good. Let's take a look inside. Well, it looks like the air system's working half decent. I think I could stand a little bit more air, but for now this will have to do. The coal's going well. Looks like we got a little fire in there. Now she's really starting to get hot. I can't get my camera too close to the flame because it will catch or screw up my camera. So I'm going to try to hold it up and get a little view in. I already had my first drop. The cans went down a little bit in the crucible. I'm going to add some more soon. I'll be back to you shortly. Yeah, she's burning real nice now. I can see the air system is working very well. It's really starting to get hot now. The cans have dropped a little bit, so I'm going to start adding some more into that little crucible in the middle. I'm getting the coals up around the crucible. I've loaded it up a couple of times now with cans. Still not very much aluminum right now, but we're getting there. It's looking pretty darn hot. Furnace number 2 is definitely a success. Now it's the waiting game. Just waiting for it to get hot enough to melt them cans down. I'll keep adding cans until I get enough aluminum in the bottom of the crucible. And once I do, I will pour it out and we'll hopefully have a nice little casting.
Oh crap, I forgot the fire extinguisher.
Should have used a bigger block here.
We need a bigger boat. Yep, 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 yep. Hang on there, bro.
Come here a minute.
Yep, I need to scoot that.
Grab the tongs behind here. Get behind here. Grab it with the tongs, not your hand. The tongs, those tongs. On the ground. On the ground. Watch your leg. You're going to catch on fire.
I ain't gonna catch on fire.
You're about touching the crucible. Quicker, dude. Our metal's getting fucking... No, the pot.
Alright, gotcha.
Try to get on this side and hold them pieces of hunks of shit back when I'm pouring. The shit that's trying to jump in. No, the stuff that's jumping out of the bucket. Push it back in the bucket. There you go. Hold it back. Hold it back. And it's working. It's hardening. It ain't working. Watch out. I'm going to dump this whole thing over. I don't want it to pop on you. All right. Here's what we got. That's a piece of rock.
Well, do we get something at least the size of a fishing anchor?
These are all aluminum, dude.
Sweet.
And this little hunker here. Okay, well here's a little bit of slag. And there's a little bit of slag. And you can see there's a little bit of aluminum in the slag. But right here, there's our little blobs of aluminum. That's good, pretty much clean aluminum. All that slag was from the cans. Them cans make a lot of slag.
Bo, can you get me out of this thing, man?
What are you doing in there?
I'm trying to get out of here, man.
Well, you should get it. Are you? It's pretty hot in there, isn't it?
Oh, it's feeling pretty cool.
How's that coal smell?
I like it.
Good
Smells
coal.
like a railroad.
But as you can see, a whole trash bag worth of aluminum, and that's about all you get. And here's my thumb next to it to see how much you get.
So that's one bag.
That's one whole bag of aluminum.
That's
a whole trash bag full of aluminum.
Describe this to me. That's pretty much what I was thinking.
Now I just opened up a little side hole in the furnace, and we're going to do some forging. And we're going to bend some pieces of metal, and we're going to make them into brands, and we're going to brand some wood. Hopefully it'll work out. F. U, right? F-U? Furnace?
Well, it depends on what.
How do you spell it?
What word you're going to write.
How do you spell furnace? Come on, don't fuck with me.
F-U-R.
F-U-R? I can't think while I'm doing this. Usually I would write it down ahead of time, so I didn't have to think. But I don't have anything to write.
N-A-C-E. Fern, like a beautiful fern in the forest.
Beautiful.
And an ace, like the ace of spades.
There you go.
Except you don't say it as fern ace. The English
Unless you're
language.
us, we could say it as fern ace.
Wait a minute. That's a piece of my fucking floor.
Yeah.
You're burning my...
See that?
Oh, man.
There's your floor.